Pinky Amador grateful to be considered as supervillain. Hindi nakapagtataka kung bigyan ng titulong supervillain ang actress na si Pinky Amador dahil sa kanyang contributor role bilang Moira Tanyag sa top-rating GMA Afternoon Prime series na Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Nakailang contributor roles na raw si Pinky sa telebisyon pero tumatak ng husto sa marami ang pagganap niya bilang si Moira. I am truly humbled and feel super blessed. Hindi nga ako aware that there's such a thing as a supervillain since I have been playing since I started in the business. Around 10 years ago sa Be Careful With My Heart, I was also voted most hated villain, if that makes sense. Whatever it is always a blessing to have work and icing on top of the cake to be recognized for it. Dahil sa kanyang mga pander bilang kontrabida, ilang netizens ang nagsabing pwede na siyang i-level sa mga kilalang supervillains tulad sa teleserye tulad ni na Princess Ponzalan, Gladys Reyes, Jean Garcia, and the late Cherry Hill. Reaksyon dito ni Pinky, syempre no one can ever step in the shoes of Cherry Hill. Princess Ponzalan, Gladys Reyes, and Jean Garcia, they are all amazing actors. I would say that Moira Tanyag, it's my best role recently on TV since it has had such a successful run. Nakaisang taon na ang Abot Kamay na Pangarap at inabot na ng kamalasan si Moira dahil unti-unti nang nabubuking ang mga masasamang nagawa niya sa maraming gustong humadlang sa mga plano niya. This year, nag-celebrate si Pinky ng kanyang 40th anniversary in showbiz. Mula sa kanyang pagiging isang award-winning theater actress, na-penetrate ni Pinky ang movies and television at hindi niya namalaya na naka-4 na dekada na siya sa entertainment business. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more showbiz updates. Bye!